Welcome to Lecture 9. So far we have considered systems in which the particles do not interact. Today we will relieve this constraint and develop a model that could explain also interacting systems. In particular, we will look into the nematic phase transition, a new phenomenon which will appear if you let particles interact. That is, they can change their phase. We will develop the mean field approach that allows us to include interactions into the system, yet do not lose the properties of the ideal gas that we developed so far.